8 substances Ag all conduct electricity are listed here. Piece of copper, the key. Is used to plate cutlery. What is cutlery? Okay, name the substance is used to inert electrodes in some electroplating. A process of electrolysis in which a metal object is coated with a layer of another metal. Breaking down ionic compound molten electrolyte, an ionic compound that will conduct electricity when it is molten or dissolved in water. An ionic compound that will conduct electricity when it is molten or dissolved in water. Liquid or solution that do not take part in electrolysis. The breakdown of ionic compound, molten or in aqueous solution by the use of electricity. Electrons flow, a property of metal, graphite, carbon and alloys take in solid liquid. Now let me try to solve the problems. Describe how the appearance of the electrolyte changes during the electrolysis of aqueous copper sulfate. Describe how the appearance of the electrolyte. Ions flow. Okay, I don't know that one, bro. Describe what is seen at the cathode during the electrolysis of aqueous copper sulfate. At the cathode, right? At the what? Describe what is seen at the cathode during the electrolysis. So we have copper and sulfate, which is Cu sulfate SO4, and we have cathode, we have anode. Here will be copper. Ouch. Yep, copper will be Cu plus SO4 minus 2. So at the cathode, will attract the copper since it is an anode. Since it is an what? Since it is a cation. That's why. Okay. What? Write the half equation for the reaction at the anode. At the anode, there is hydrogen. There is OH. There is hydrogen here. OH minus is equal to 2H2O plus O2 plus O plus 2 electron ion. Hey, OH look at you. Four away, 4 OH plus O2. Now that's the curve. State 2 difference seen in the electrolysis is repeated using copper electrodes instead of graphite electrodes. 2 difference seen in the electrolysis is repeated using copper electrodes. Copper electrodes. Copper electrodes. Copper electrodes. Copper electrodes. So overall there is a transfer of copper from the anode to the cathode. Transfer of copper cathode to anode. No, from anode to cathode. The color of the solution does not change because this concentration in the solution remains the same. Color stays the same. That's the difference, bro. Ouch! Now we'll go there. Exothermic and endothermic reactions. Oh. Why is it exothermic, bro? Is it always exothermic or endothermic also? Why in the world always you need to take an Indian accent, guys. Indian accent. क्या accent? Indian accent. The surface area. Damn, I didn't finish anything. Okay, I'm getting electrolysis now. Electrolysis is getting easier. Okay, that will take another species. And I don't wanna. Okay. Hey, no, wait. I'm doing that after. First, we do the the surface area, the concentration of reactant solution, the pressure, and the temperature. So here it will be concentration. The surface area, temperature, pressure. यार सुन से सुने तो नहीं बोलने बैडमिंटन मिसिंग getting kumpa. The graph shows the loss in mass against time for experiment A and B. The reaction is faster in the marble chips are broken into smaller pieces. Nah, bro, I wanna get 100% in chemistry. Nah, I'm not taking it. Nah, wait. Will a change in pressure affect the rate of this reaction? Because calcium carbonate and hydrochloric of this reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Explain your reasoning. It will, because pressure is one of the factors of rate of reaction. That's wrong. Look, will a change in pressure of reacting gases affect the rate of this reaction? Because calcium carbonate rate of reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Another type of reaction concentration is rate of reaction involving gas. In a reaction involving gas increases the pressure as similar effect to increasing the concentration in a liquid. Increasing the pressure pushes the gas particles closer together so that they collide and react more readily. Okay, it will, because if the concentration effects on the reaction rate is reaction involving gases. In a reaction involving gases, increasing the pressure has a similar effect. Calcium carbonate, is it a gas or something? Calcium carbonate. It is calcium carbonate. Bro, man. Oh. This leg is crazy, bro. It's hurting. Ouch. More potential, bro. More potential. What I do? No, like what I do? CH4. 4. Can you imagine? 4. Exactly. Why did I write? No. 435. You'd have to do. Oh man, bro, what did you do? What did you do? What in the world did you do? What in the world? 435 plus 2. Yes, now my dimag is dimagging, bro. Oxygens. Exactly. Hey, yeah, you with your brains, bro. Hey, 498. Now it's correct. 4 times 435 plus 2, 498. What will give you the answer? Which will give me as 2736. And here, what do we have? Carbon dioxide. C double lines O. C double line O. So we do, since there is 2, multiply by 2 here. 2803 plus H2O. 2 H2Os. Right. That means here 2, 464. 2, 803 plus 2, 464. 464 will give 2, 534. Change in reaction. Define atomic reaction and give its ging. What? A reaction? Give its sign. What a freak. Chemistry. It's itchy. If you understand English, if you don't understand indie things, you are cooked. Cooked. Like actually cooked. No cap. Cooked. No way. No way. There's nothing. Is this an exothermic or an endothermic reaction? Tell me. No, like, tell me. Actually, I'm not lying. Tell me. 2468. But this is an endothermic reaction. Okay, exactly. Energy required to break down has 4 C 4 times 435 equals to 170 2736. Correct. Energy released when new bonds form has 2. Okay, I forgot. No, I did not forget. Okay, now total is 1/8. That's so cap. That's full cap, bro. How is that? Oh, not by 2, by 4. By 4. By 4. By 4. By 4. By 4. Because there are 4 hydrogen molecules. I see the problem. I see the problem. Hey, I got the same thing, look. Okay. Enthalpy change approximately it's exothermic. Okay, I see. I see. I got it. This answer is wrong. It's exothermic. Hey guys, I'm being so smart, guys. Damn, I calculated. It is so easy. Okay. Wow, I got calculations 100%, bro. 100% in calculations. Wow, oh my god, bro. Oh. What? No. Wow. Use this information and your answer A, B above to suggest whether it will be better to extract tin from SnO2 or stenite. It is better from stenite because it has less elements in it and the MR is also low. Okay. From what and what? From better to extract from tin from stenite, from SnO2. SnO4, SnO2. MR. SnO2. 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 Okay, at least I got this page whole correct, bro. Application is crazy work. What happened to these calculations now? Why did I get 3 out of 10? Man, what are you doing? What in the world are you doing, bro? What in the world are you doing? Calculate the number of moles in carbon dioxide collected. Okay, what do we have? An excess of hydrochloric acid was added to the volume of carbon dioxide collected was the impurities did not react with the acid. Use the following steps. Calculate the percentage purity of the calcium carbonate. Calculate the number of moles. What is N? N equals to M over MR, right? N equals to M over volume, MR over volume, right? So we are given the volume, the molar volume, we have given the molar volume and we have the volume. So N equals to again confusion. Again. Bruv. Okay. Okay, MR मतलब MV. आता है, it's volume over MV. Yes. Volume over MV. Then you will get your answer 0.24 divided by 24, which will be the answer 0.01. Right. .01, yes. That's the answer. deduce of moles of reacted, number of moles of calcium reacted. मोल्स गोतवाना છે ને પાછો મોલ્સ ગોતવાના છે પણ હવે કેલ્શિયમ hydrochloric acid was added. Wait. An excess of hydrochloric acid was added to of impure calcium carbonate. That is our mass. And we have our volume. They gave us the mass, they gave us the volume. Okay, we have the volume, we have the mass. Is there any related things? Okay, so we do 101 over 24. શું છે? 24. 1.11 divided by 24. 1.11. Zero point 04625, bro. That's the mole. Calculate the mass of 1 mole of calcium carbonate. The mass. Hey. That means mass equals to moles times mR. Mass equals to moles times mR, or mass equals to, no, that's the only thing. Okay, so we have our moles 0.04625. We don't know our mass. We have our M. What is our MR? Do we have our MR? No. Calculate it. What is calcium? Go back, bro. This calcium. 40. Carbonate 12 plus carbonate O3, 16 times 3. 100. So we do 0.04625 times 100, which will be Is that correct? Okay, I'm getting wrong. Calculate the mass of calcium carbonate reactant. Oh, our mass is here then. Shit. Okay, let me do one thing. Great, let's do the whole question. A. Number of moles. Yes. A. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Your paper used 100 either. So what's the answer? Answer શું છે?
આયુષ મને ટ્યુશન હોમવર્ક જે આપ્યો એ એક કીધું ને હોમવર્ક કરું. અરે એમાં હોમવર્ક આજે આપ્યું છે મને.
આપતો જરા
સેમ આન્સર અહીંયા આવશે.
ઓકે બરોબર
Bro, your answer is not clear. Chew you, bro.
બોલતો
Concentration of what do you want from me? Why are you taking me home?
Please have said આપણે ભેગા કર્યા હતા ક્યાં છે
તાર કરું છું તને
મને જોયું છે
શું કરું છું
મને ટ્યુશન માટે લખું છું
હોમવર્ક કયો હોમવર્ક
મારું ટ્યુશન બુક ખતમ થઈ ગયું એટલે મને જોઈએ છે પેપર આંટીએ કીધું કે પેપરમાં લખી લેજે ને એ રાત છે કાલે પેપર પણ લઈ જવાના છે તો એ ક્યાં છે ફાઇલ
ઉપર છે પણ એ તારથી નહીં કાઢે નહીં નીકળે એ બહુ નીચે છે
મને જોશે અટાડે જ
તું કાઢીશ કેવી રીતે કોર્નરમાં પડ્યું નહીં થાય મારું આ આવશે તાન્યા તું માનીશ ને એને કાંઈ વાત કહું છું કે નહીં થાય હું કહું છું તને નહીં થાય એકદમ છેલ્લું છે
Então, como é que não conseguimos comunicar? Como conseguimos falar? Ele foi
તારી મેથ્સની નોટબુક લે નોટબુક તારી પાસે કેટલી નોટબુક છે કઈ કઈ
ટ્યુશન ને સ્કૂલની
સ્કૂલની લઈ
સ્કૂલની નહીં
લઈ આવતો કહું છું એમ કર તાનિયા મારે બાધું નથી હો કેમેરા ચાલે છે એની અંદર કાંઈ નથી માડવાનું અને એમાંથી એક પણ પેપર નથી યુઝ કરવાનું
મારો છો હું ગમે
ના પછી જ્યારે કામ આવે ને ત્યારે કામ નથી આવતું લેવા જવું પડે બહાર એટલે પ્લીઝ મારી વાત માનજો Calculate the number of moles.
જો ઓછો બી થઈ ગયો છે
ફોટો પ્રેસ કરો
બતા
હિસ્ટ્રી
એક મિનિટ આ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન માટે યુઝ કર્યો One, two, three, 0.02. 2, 5 are 10, 1, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 5. Zero point zero 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 30. I was correct. Determine the number of moles of react with the. So we have 25. Number of moles conc times vol, which will be conc is equal to 0.015 times 0.025. 0.025. Zero point zero 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 375. Okay, this was the first point. Second point, calculate the concentration of adenine in moles per volume. Okay, concentration equals to mole over volume. What was the mole for? Kono calculate concentration? Okay, mole is equal to 0.0000675. Why 675, bro? Why? Where did I get 675? Where did I get 675? 675. It's 375. No, bro, I'm doing with my method. Divided by the volume. Calculate the volume in .5 moles of. Okay. Okay. So I will do volume. Volume equals to oxygen. And what is that? What is that? What is that? Molar volume. Molar volume. Okay, now I'm interested in things now. Of bromine gas. Your answer is correct. Okay. Oh damn. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Because because you need to multiply by 2. Wait. Part 2 is wrong. No. I need to multiply by 2. Just that. This one. What is currently the main source of hydrogen for hydrogen-powered vehicles? Hey, what? We'll do this. A chemical reaction that go either forward or backward depending, okay? And I get you the description of substance and document substance. Chemical test for purity. What's the time? An equilibrium reaction for particular features under a similar condition. It is a dynamic reactant are continuously being changed to product and are continuously being changed back to reactant. Forward and backward reaction occurs at the same rate. Okay, the concentration of reactants and product remain constant, requires a closed system. Changes of pressure can only affect reaction that involves gas in equation. Okay, increasing pressure moves the equilibrium to the side which occupies a smaller volume. If there are equal number of gases molecules of both sides of the reaction, the pressure will not have any effect. Haber process. Okay, conditions for Haber process. High pressure will increase the yield of the ammonia. High pressure uses you increase the rate of reaction. Okay, can reuse pressure vessels are expensive to build. Temperature forward reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic, reducing the concentration of ammonia. If the use of catalyst finally divided iron into being used. Okay, extraction, sources of raw material, hydrogen, nitrogen. Okay, uses manufacture fertilizers directly as a fertilizer converted into nitric acid, manufacture of nylon. The reaction is exothermic. This means the sulfur trioxide. Okay. What is this? Then we have exothermic, endothermic, combustion, respiration, oxidation. Addition of oxygen to substances healthy copper. Okay, that goes there. Yes. Depression. Okay, added. That's a reduction. That's a redox reaction, where reaction involves both reduction and oxidation. Displacement reaction. What is the displacement? Quick, boom, 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 ba, ba. Yes, acids, corrosion, base, organic acid, ethanoic, methanoic, lactic, citric. Mineral acids, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphorus acid are present in animals and plants, while all other corrosive and powerful acids called mineral acids. Yes, indicators. Colors in acid, the litmus is red, blue for alkaline, neutral is purple. Okay. Thymophyllideo. Okay. Color in acid, colorless, neutral, colorless, blue. Methyl orange, red, orange, yellow. Boom. Crazy. It's here. There is no red there. No red. That's crazy. Copper sulfate. Okay. Hydrated salts. Copper sulfate, it's blue. Where there is copper, it's blue. Where there is cobalt, does anyone cobalt? Nope. Cobalt, pink. Ion. How do I memorize this? It's CP IGMWSWCW. What do I do here? CBCPIG CBCP. Hey, CBCP IGMWSW. Calcium, sodium, magnesium. Water with okay. This was the last chapter. Which process? Okay, I need to learn this process now. I need to memorize the processes. Calm, this thing is done. CB, CP, MW, CW, SW, IG. Wow. Preparation of salts, soluble salts. First is soluble salts. Flowchart showing method of use of preparing soluble salts. Start. Does the metal? No, it's here. What is this? Method A for preparing soluble salts. A, stage 1. The acid is reacted with either 1 or 2 or 3. Stage B, filled out. Stage 3, the solution is carefully evaporated. Stage 4, the crystals are allowed to form. Stage A, warm acids. guys, I'm genius in chemistry. Never mind. I don't need that. I actually don't need that. I actually don't need that. What am I here to do? Don't listen to me, bro. Do not listen to me. You know that I'm shit. I didn't need to study that. I got low marks. If I study, I get very good marks. Hey guys, you want to see my English paper? Learn to finish your mark. What the heck, bro? I didn't know anything. That English was not okay. Forget that English paper. I used to write a lot of essays. See this? Let me tell you how much. 17 out of 20. Can you see this? Smart. English. 31 out of 34. Okay guys, forget about that. Let me take out my global perspective. What the heck? What do you mean? Hey, only one page. I was supposed to get 96%. Teachers these days. Bro, this thing, man, I hate it. Imagining having a 95% minus 5, 87%. Ouch. That hurts, bro. That actually damn hurts. No cap. The same thing, over and over again. Yeah. Oh, damn it. Basically, I just need to do this. Personal perspective: what an individual thinks about a topic or issue supported by evidence. What is a situation or issue that has an perspective of a country, a situation that has a perspective of the world. Issue: it is a problem that is currently happening. Course of action: something you do to try to help resolve or make a positive difference to an issue. State and explain any four factors that influence people's perspective. That influences: religion and culture, level of education, geographic location, social influence. Religion and culture: it teach about traditional culture and help see the world in different way. Level of education: education helps the people think and understand things in different ways. Geographical location: people from different geographic locations have different experiences in experience and perspective. Social influence: family and friends and media make people think and act different. What is research? It is the ability to find information about topic using the help of the internet and books. Wow, my answers are crazy, man. The ability to evaluate someone or something. Going to the celebrities or student to ask questions to them about their career and what did they do and did they do. Bro, I didn't. I'm not crying, guys. Teacher. Bro, I'm so good. Good color. '22 is crazy. 2022. This was the easiest exam. First time. Guys, I'm done with my work for today. What do you mean by today? I'm done. Prepared for the exam. Getting an A star and guys, that's my thing. Done. I wanna rest, play, have fun. Hey.